see what are the different types of values the Python accept. Normally Python environment accepts numbers in the form of integers. Integers means whole numbers without any fraction part. That means 13 or minus 14. All these values are in the form of whole numbers. Another is number can be in the form of decimal. In the Python we are using the word floating. Floating means number with decimal part. Number with decimal. Another type of value that Python is accepting is a string type of value. String means something which we are enclosing in. Either we are enclosing in single bracket start and single bracket close, or we are storing in double bracket start, double bracket close. The rule is if we are starting anything with the single quote, then we have to end with single quote. If we are starting with double quotes, we have to end with double quotes. There is one more thing, if we are starting with triple double quotes, then we have to end with triple double quotes. If we are starting with triple single quote, we have to end with triple single quote. Whatsoever, if we are enclosing anything in quotes, that comes under the string category. Another is the list concept. This we will discuss in the later videos. If we are enclosing anything in the square bracket, that thing will come under the list category. Another type of information, if we are enclosing anything in the round bracket, that comes under the tuple category. If we are enclosing anything in the curly braces, that will come under the dictionary category. And what are these types of information, how we are dealing with this, we will discuss later on. In this video we will just give an overview of what type of entries the use Python is accepting. First we have discussed the number can be in the form of whole integers. That means either we are starting with positive or negative. Number can be in the form of float. That means number with decimal. The number can be negative also. String, if we are writing anything in single quote, that is a string part. We can write the things in the double quotes also. Rule is same. If we are starting with single quote, we have to end with single quote. We are starting with double quotes, we have to end with double quotes. Any other, we can start with double quote, triple quotes also, then we have to end with that thing also. If we are starting with triple single quote, we have to end with. Suppose if you will use the combination of both the things, it will show you error for that, because here I have started with single quote and have ended with the triple double quotes, then it will show us the error. Why it has not shown? Because it is showing that I have not completed the comment. This we will discuss later on, what are the multi-line string. We will discuss in the other videos. And we have discussed if we are printing anything in the square bracket, that comes under, this is the list concept. If we are typing anything in the form of round bracket, that comes under the tuple concept. And then if we are typing anything in the curly braces, that comes under the dictionary concept. We can use the type function to find out the data type of that particular thing. I hope this much is clear. We will discuss in detail how we can use different type of function to know what type of information we are storing in the particular type of variable, and what are the variables, how we can use this, we will discuss in the other upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Do like and share my videos. Thank you.